You might think that being busy and having so many tasks on your table, um, equates to actually moving life in a certain direction or towards success or building something. But you need to know what the difference is, and how that can affect your progress in life. So if you're looking at it from an economic point of view, from your finances, you know, it would be great to also look at it socially, how you're progressing, and the activities you're engaging in, and the stuff that you're doing. If you can look at it holistically, you'll come to realize that most times, if you don't put your life in sync, if you don't create some kind of a structure, you might end up just being busy in life and not ending anywhere.